Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Kavita Kapoor. Today I am there before you again with another revision video of chapter Should Wizard Hit Mommy. In this chapter you will get to read about a beautiful story, a wonderful story. You will surely like this interesting story, and this story is about the father and daughter relationship. A father used to tell the stories at night to his daughter, and he always his story main character is always same, and that is Roser. This time his story character name was Roser Skunk, and all the stories were similar, and this time also his story was similar, and his story was related to the Roser Skunk. Okay, Roser Skunk, but there is some problem with the Roser Skunk. Roser Skunk smells really very bad, and he wanted to make himself smell good. That's why he went to the wise owl. When he went to the wise owl gave him the suggestion to go to the wizard, means magician, to go to the wizard, and wizard will surely help you to remove your bad smell and to give you the good smell. What was the main problem with the Roser Skunk? Roser Skunk wanted the other animals to play with him because he always lived in the forest alone. He was all alone because nobody played with him due to his bad smell only. That's why he wanted to change his smell, and to change his smell he had to go to the owl, and the owl sent him to the wizard. When the Roser Skunk went to the wizard, and wizard took some money from the Roser Skunk and asked him that you want to smell like which thing, and he said that I want to smell like roses. At that time wizard gave the fragrance of roses to the Roser Skunk, and Roser Skunk was again so happy to get the fragrance of the roses. And then when he came back from that thing, after that time, all the animals, all the other creatures started playing with the Roser Skunk. Roser Skunk was so happy at that time that now the thing that I wanted is fulfilling. Now I'm so happy to play with the other creatures. After some time, after playing a lot with his friends, and when he went back to his home, at that time his mother told him, his mother means denied to recognize him because due to his according to his mother, his son should be smelled badly, but at that time he was smelling so nicely. At that time his mother told him that you are smelling so bad, because she liked this bad smell, because she also smelled really very bad. That's why she liked the bad smell, and she scolded her son to smell like roses. That's why she wanted her son to go back to wizard again and to smell bad again, to take the bad smell again. But at that time Roser Skunk clearly denied and said, I don't want to go to the wizard again. I don't want to take the bad smell again because nobody will play with me then. At that time his mother told him that I don't care that anybody will play with you or not. I just care about my son, that my son should be like me. If I am smelling bad, so you should also smell bad. At that time Roser Skunk and his mother, both of the persons went to the wizard. And what did the Roser Skunk mother do? Roser Skunk mother hit the wizard with the umbrella and said to him that why did you change the smell of my son? Now you will have to make him smell bad again. At that the wizard used his magic wand and gave the bad smell to the Roser Skunk again. So the story was ended, means that this is the story that the father was telling to his daughter. At the time the daughter said to her father that she wanted wizard to hit the mommy back because she didn't do anything wrong. He just gave the good smell to the Roser Skunk, and he did a good deed. But why did the mother of the Roser Skunk hit the wizard? If she hit the wizard, then wizard should also hit back to her because he was doing the nice thing. But the father ended the story at that time, and he did not give the another ending like his daughter. That was all in the chapter. So you will have to make it more clear, you will have to read this chapter thoroughly so that you can get each and every point written in this chapter. Still, if you feel any doubt, any problem, you may call me or text me anytime. I'll surely solve your problem. Till then, read the chapter thoroughly and prepare yourself for the assignment also. All the best.